I went up by the quarry, and it's really beautiful open space, really high, nice views, and this is what I got. So I've lost count the amount of times I've been up and down the pathway to the quarry with a dog. Never ever seen the blasting, and when those sirens went off, I just managed to get the bird up and get some great shots. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Massive experience, I've never seen anything like it. Thanks for watching. Drop me a like, give me a comment, and I'll try and find some more footage for you. Thanks for watching.